Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the latest updates and features on your favorite apps. Today, we're going to show you how to turn on message notifications for the WhatsApp app on your PC. This feature is crucial for staying connected with friends and family, ensuring you never miss an important message. To get started, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have access to your chats and settings. Once the app is open, look for the gear icon located at the left side of the menu. This icon is your gateway to all the settings, so go ahead and click on it to enter the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, find and click on the notifications option. This section allows you to customize how you receive alerts and updates from your chats. Here, you'll see several options to tailor your notification experience. To enable message notifications, simply toggle the messages option to the on position. By doing this, you'll receive notifications for incoming messages on your PC, making it easier to stay connected and respond promptly. It's also worth noting that you can customize other notification settings, such as enabling notifications for calls or reactions depending on your preferences. This way, you can enhance your messaging experience and ensure you're always updated with the latest interactions from your friends and family. Turning on message notifications is a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to stay on top of all your conversations and never miss an important message again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials on using WhatsApp and other applications on your PC. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.